Chloroquine is being administered to 1,100 people in New York, along with the Z-Pak, which is Azithromycin. And it's very early yet. It started 2 days ago. But we will see what happens. I want to thank Stephen Hahn, who's a great doctor, left one of the best jobs in our country, running an incredible hospital in Texas. And he's the head of the FDA, and Stephen got approval for that so fast. Let's see how it works. It may not, but we may have some incredible results. We're going to know soon. So it's being tested on 1,100 people in New York. The FDA is also allowing the emergency use of a blood-related therapy called convalescent plasma as an experimental treatment for seriously ill patients. This treatment involves taking blood plasma from patients who have already recovered from the virus. So they're recovered, they're strong, something was good in them that worked. And so we take the plasma from those people that have recovered so well, meaning their plasma is rich in antibodies against the virus, and transfusing it into sick patients very, very, very powerfully. So sick patients will be transfused with the blood taken to boost their immune system. We'll see what happens, and we're having some early results that are good, but we will see, and that's going, I think, very rapidly. Again, we got approvals in really very quick time. We're also looking at an approval for the sterilization of masks. I kept saying to myself, I'd see some of the masks are very complex. We're delivering millions, by the way, millions. But I kept saying, why aren't they able to use that mask a second, third, fourth time? And Mike DeWine, the great governor of Ohio, called me. They have a company that is in the final process of getting approval for the sterilization of masks. And in some cases, depending on the mask, some of these masks are very, very strong, very powerful, very strong material. They're able to sterilize the mask up to 20 times. So that's, I guess, like getting 20 masks. And so we worked on that. As soon as I heard from Mike today, I got involved, and the FDA is now involved, and we're trying to get a fast approval for the sterilization of masks. That would be a tremendous difference. It would be really helpful. Well, much of the research has to be done. We have a lot of research left to do. Obviously, this treatment on plasma has shown promising results in other countries. We're in communication with other countries, and very strong communications, and they're very reliant on us in just about all cases. We have the greatest people in the world. They're very, very anxious to find out how we're doing on our different things, whether it's a cure or whether it's really anything having to do with getting people better. We have some interesting things will be announced, I think, over the next few weeks, but we'll see what happens. They're being tested right now. The vaccines are moving along very rapidly. The vaccines are an answer, but I'd like to see if we could do something therapeutically so that we could take care of the people that are already sick, and we're working on that at a level that people would be amazed. These are incredible people. They don't stop. This method also has been used for more than a century, and that's the blood-related therapy, and more than a century to fight off infectious diseases, so it's not unusual. Our level of complexity has changed, but it's a concept that's been used for a long time, including during the Spanish flu epidemic.